Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed the what is a rational number, what is a irrational number, and what is a real number. Therefore, what is a rational number? The number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. If p and q are whole numbers or integers, if you take a whole number, that is only positive rational number. Integers means you take positive and negative numbers. Irrational number, the number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Example, root 2, root 3, root 5. Next, real number. Therefore, the set of rational and irrational number is called real number. Next one, we have discussed the Euclid division lemma. If a and b are positive integers, they exist q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. By using this, you find out the HCF in previous class, that is exercise 1.1. First, find out the HCF of two numbers. Next, use Euclid division lemma to find out two problems in issue. Next, here today third problem. Use division algorithm to show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. Here use division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. Anything, both are same. Therefore, to show that square of any positive integer is of the form is 3p or 3p plus 1. Solution. Therefore, let a be any positive integer. Here 3p is there, therefore you take b equal to 3. By definition of Euclid division lemma, Euclid's division algorithm or algorithm a equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Therefore, in place of b here 3 is there. Therefore, a equal to 3q plus r. Here remainders are r equal to 0, 1, 2. Here which number is there? In place of b 3 is there. Therefore, remainders also 3, 0, 1, 2. Therefore, we take r equal to 0, r equal to 1 and r equal to 2. First, we take first case r equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 3q plus 0. Therefore, a equal to 3q. Here what is given? Square. Therefore, here squaring on both sides. Yes, O, B, yes. Squaring on both sides. Therefore, a whole square equal to 3q whole square. Here 3q whole square, that is 3q into 3q, that is 9q square. A square equal to 9q square. 9q square it can be written as 3 into 3q square. Here in place of 3q square you take any number p, that is p. Therefore, here let p is any integer. Next, we have to take r equal to 1. Next, we have to take r equal to 1. Therefore, a equal to 3q plus r. In place of r, substitute 1. Therefore, a equal to 3q plus 1. Here also again squaring on both sides. Therefore, a whole square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Here 3 cube plus 1 whole square means here a plus b whole square formula is there. Therefore a square here a square means that is 3 cube whole square plus 1 whole square plus here 2ab 2 into 3q into 1. Therefore here 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. In both here any common, therefore 3 is the common. Here remaining is 3q square plus 2q here plus 1. Therefore here 3q square plus 2q is replacement, that is p. Therefore 3p plus 1 is square equal. Therefore here p is any integer. Again you have take r equal to 2. Therefore a equal to 3q plus r. Therefore in place of r substitute 2. Therefore here again squaring on both sides, SOBS, squaring on both sides, a whole square equal to, that is 3q plus 2 whole square. Therefore you are applying 3q, a plus b whole square, that is 9q square plus 4 plus here 2ab, 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12q. Therefore here 4 it can be written as 9q square plus 3 plus 12q plus 1. Here 4 it can be written as 3 plus 1. In first 3 any common, therefore 3 is the common. Therefore 3q square plus 1 plus 4q plus 1. In bracket 3q square plus 1 plus 4q, that is replaced by p. 3p plus 1. Here p is any integer. Therefore here three conditions. Therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form is 3p or 3p plus 1. So check this one. Here 3p is there. Here also 3p plus 1. Here is 3p plus 1. One more time. Use division algorithm to show that square of any positive integer is of the form is 3p or 3p plus 1. Or same question, use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of anything, both are same only. Solution, let a be any positive integer. Therefore b, in place of here 3p, then in place of b 3 is there. Therefore you can take b equal to 3. By definition of Euclid division algorithm, therefore you know that was statement a equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Therefore here a equal to 3q plus r, in place of b 3 is there. Remainders are 0, 1, 2. Therefore first you have to take r equal to 0. Substitute here a equal to 3q plus r is replaced by 0, that is a equal to 3q. Therefore here asking question is square of any positive integer. Therefore square of any positive integer, squaring on both sides, a whole square equal to 3q whole square. 3q whole square means 3q into 3q, 3 into 3, 9q into q. Therefore total 9q square. 9q square it can be written as 3 into 3q whole square. Therefore here 3q square it can be written as 3p. p is any integer. Next we have to take remainder is 1. Therefore we take r equal to 1. A equal to 3q plus r plus substitute r plus in 1. A equal to 3q plus 1, squaring on both sides. A whole square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. A square equal to 3q whole square plus 1 plus 2 into 3q into 1. 2ab, a plus b whole square formula. Here 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. Here first and last 9q square 6q is there. Here common 3. 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus this one is same as plus 1 right now. In bracket what 3q square plus 2q is replaced by some variable p, that is a square equal to 3p plus 1. Next you have to remainder is 2 is there. Substitute r equal to 2. A equal to 3q plus 2, squaring on both sides. A whole square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. 9q square plus 4 plus 12q. 9q square plus 3 plus 12q plus 1. Here 4 it can be written 3 plus 1 only, that is the difference. Here in first 3 multiples of 3 is there, therefore common 3. 3 into 3 q square plus 1 plus 4q plus 1. Therefore, a square equal to 3p plus 1. Therefore, here p is any positive integer. In these three cases, 3p plus 1, here 3p plus 1. Again, write a given statement. Therefore, the square of any positive integer is of the form is 3p or 3p plus 1. Any doubt? Okay. Next problem. Next, fourth question. Here, use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Yeah, see this question, fourth one. Use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form is 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. In place of b, 9 is there. Therefore, remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, total 8 remainders are directly you take a equal to 9m squaring on both, cubing on both sides and do that also. This is do second method in previous. Therefore, let solution, let a be any positive integer, Therefore, here b equal to you take 9 or multiples of factors of 9, anything your choice. Therefore, factors of 9, that is 1, 3, 9. Therefore, you take any your choice, that is therefore you take therefore a equal to 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Therefore, first one is here a equal to 9m. You take first case. Therefore, a equal to 9m. Therefore, here cube is there. Therefore, cubing on both sides. Therefore, we get therefore a whole cube equal to 9m whole cube. Therefore, a cube, this it can written as therefore 9m into 27 m square. Here 9m into 9m, that is multiplied 3 times. Therefore, here 9 into therefore 27 m cube. Here 9 into 9, therefore here see 9 into 9 into 9 into m into m. Therefore, this it can written as 9 into 81 into m cube. Here this one is this one. Here 9m into 9m multiply 3 times. 9 into 9 81. 1 more 9 is there 9. Here m into m. Therefore, that is m cube. 9m into 81 m square. Therefore, this is here m is multiply this one. Therefore, 9 is same as written. Therefore, 81 m cube. Therefore, 81 n cube is right. Some variable, that is a cube equal to 9 small capital M. Therefore, m is any positive integer. Okay. Next, second one is 9m plus 1. Therefore, second one is a equal to take 9m plus 1. Therefore, cubing on both sides. Again, cubing on both sides. Therefore, a whole cube equal to 9m plus 1 whole cube. Therefore, here applying a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube equal to, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Therefore, a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or a cube plus b cube into multiply this one, 3a square b plus 3a b square root. Therefore, here a cube in place of a, here 9m is there, 9m whole cube plus here b cube, b is 1 cube plus 3ab, 3 into 9m into 1 into 9m plus 1. Here a cube, here 9m cube, same first method, that is 9 into 81 m cube plus 1 cube into, that is 1 cube plus 9 into 3, that is 27 m into 9, that is 9m plus 27 m. Here this term and last two terms common any, therefore 9 is the common, therefore a cube equal to 9 is the common. Here 81 m cube plus here is 9 is the common, 27 m square plus here is 3m, here remaining is plus 1. Here 81 m cube plus 27 m square plus 3m, that is replaced by some variable m. A cube equal to, that is 9m plus 1. M is any positive integer. Here one more time see, a equal to 9m plus 1, cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 9m plus 1 whole cube. Here applying a plus b whole cube formula. Therefore, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. A cube equal to, here in place of a 9m is there, therefore 9m whole cube. In place of b 1 is there, 1 whole cube plus 3ab, 3 into 9m into 1 into 9m plus 1. Here 9m whole cube, it can be written as multiply 81 into 9, 729, or 9 into 81 m cube plus 1 whole cube, that is 1 multiply n times, therefore that is 1 only. 9 into 3, 27 m into 9, 27 m into 9m plus 27 m into 1, that is 27 m. Here last two terms and first term 9 is the common, therefore 9 is the common, remaining is 81 m cube, here is 27 m square, here is 3m, here same 1 is there plus 1 right down. Therefore, in bracket part 81 m cube plus 27 m square plus 3m plus 1. Therefore, a cube equal to 9m plus 1. Same do a equal to 9m plus 8. Therefore, any doubt this one? Therefore, third one is a equal to 9m plus 8. Here also same cubing on both sides. COBS, cubing on both sides. Therefore, a whole cube equal to 9m plus 8 whole cube. Therefore, that is a cube equal to 9, a plus b whole cube formula again. Therefore, 9m whole cube plus 8 whole cube plus here is 3 into 9m into 8 into 9m plus 8. Here 9m, therefore 9 into 81 m cube. Here 80 cube, that is 8 8 64, 64 8 32, 48, 5 12, 5 12 plus here 27 m into 8 into 9m plus 27 m into 8 into 8. Therefore here 51 it can be written as 81 m cube. Here 504 plus 8 plus 27 m into 8 into 9m plus 27 m into 8 into 8. Here remaining this 8, remaining all 9 is the common. Here 9 is the common. 81 m cube. Here 9 also. Here 9 5 is 45. 56 times. Next one is here 3, therefore 3 m 27 m square into 8. Next one here 20 m 3 m into 64 plus 8. Here total this in bracket part write some variable m. Therefore 9 m plus 8. Therefore here all three cases you have the first one is 9m plus 1 whole cube. This it can be written as 9m. Next 9m plus 1 is again cubing on both sides. Therefore a cube equal to 9m plus 1. Next third one is 9m plus 8. Again a cube equal to 9m plus 8. M is any positive. Again write the statement the above three cases. Therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form is 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. You have any doubt? Here compulsory, you know, a plus b whole cube formula. Therefore compulsory a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. Next one. Next one, small statement, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Therefore, you know composite number, what is the prime number? What is prime number? A number having only two factors, one and itself, that is called prime number. Therefore, 1 to 10, how many prime numbers? Therefore, what are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, that is the prime numbers. Therefore, one is not prime number, neither composite number nor prime number. Next, composite number. A number having at least minimum 2 factors or more than 2 factors, that is called composite number. A number having minimum 3 factors. Therefore, least composite number is 4. 4 having 1, 2, 4, that is the composite number. Therefore, here fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as prime factorization and it is unique. Unique means that is only one method. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers or prime factorization, and it is unique. Anything your choice. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers or prime factorization, and it is unique. Anything. You know prime factorization. What is prime numbers? Suppose example, we have taken some 15 is given. 15 it can be written as 3 into 5. Here 3 is prime number and 5 also prime number. Therefore only one time is there. 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. That is a prime factorization. Okay, this is only one method. Therefore, 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. Therefore, that is called a unique. Therefore, our prime factorization, or sometimes it is asking exponential form in previous classes, that is 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, that is any number is given, write the exponential form. Prime factorization or exponential, both are same only. Therefore, fundamental theorem of arithmetic based on exercise 1.2. Therefore, some problems. Exercise 1.2. Express each of the following as a product of prime factorization. Or sometimes express the following question as exponential form. In asking any method, in exam, that is 140. Yeah, express each of the following as a product of prime factorization. 140, LCM method. Therefore, 140. Therefore, this is your even number. Therefore, that is divisible by 2. 2 how many times? Therefore, that is not divisible by 1. Therefore, 2 7 ja. Therefore, that is 70. Next, again 2 table. Therefore, 2 35 times. Again, 35 is odd number. That is not divisible by 2. Therefore, that is divisible by 5. 5 7 ja. Again 7. Therefore, not divisible by any other. Only 7. 7 1. Therefore, you see here 2, 5 and 7. That all are prime numbers. So that's why that is the product of prime factorization. That is 140. It can be written as 2 how many times? 2 times is there, that is 2 square, write down. Here 5 how many times? That is only 1 time, that is 5 power 1. Next 7 is how many times? Only 1 time, that is 7 power 1. Therefore 140 it can be, again see 140 it can be written as 2 how many times? That is 2 70s. Again 2 table 2 35 times. Next 5 how many times? That is 5 7 ja. Next 7 1 time. Therefore here 2 5 7, that all are prime numbers. Therefore 2 how many times? That is 2 times, that is 2 power 2. Next 5 only 1 time, 5 power 1. Next 7 power 1, that is the prime factorization or exponential, both are same only. Next 156. Therefore 156, here 6 is unit digit, that is also a even number. Therefore that is divisible by 2. 2 15 is there. Therefore 2 7 ja. Next 2 7 ja 14, 15 minus 14, that is 1 6, that is 16. Therefore 2 8 ja. Next one is again 78, that is even number. Again 2 table 2 3s. Next 6 7 minus 6 1 8, that is 18 2 9s. Next here 39 is odd number, that is here that is divisible by 3. 3 1s 3 3s. Next 13 is odd number, therefore 13 1. Here 2 3 30, that all are prime numbers. 156 it can be written as, therefore 2 how many times? That is 2 times is here, 2 power 2. Next 3 power 1 into 13 power 1. Therefore 2 square into 3 power 1 into 13 power 1. You multiply this one, you got this 156 only. Therefore 156. Again see 2 how many times? That is 78 times. 2 39 times. 3 13 times. 13 1. Therefore 156 it can be written as 2 square. 2 how many times? 2 times is there. 3 power 1, 13 power 1. Next one more problem. That is 5005. Therefore you see 5005. Therefore here 5005 it can be written as here unit is 5 is there, exactly divisible by 5. Therefore 5 1 0 0 again 1. Next, which table? There may be 7 table. You check once. 7 table. Here 7 ones, that is 10 minus 7, that is 3 3 0, that is 7 fours. Next 30 20, that is 7 threes. Again 11 table, 11 13. Here again 13 1. Therefore here 5 7 11 13 all are prime numbers only. Therefore 5005 it can be written as, therefore 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is also correct. Or 5 power 1 into 7 power 1 into 11 power 1 into 13 power 1. Anything, both are same. Here both are equal. 5 power 1 or 5, both are same only. Yeah, today homework question. Expect each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factorization, or sometimes asking exponential form. Anything, both are same only. Therefore 3 8 2 5. Therefore write in expression prime factors. Therefore 2 3 5 7 11 13, which numbers? Therefore write down. Here also same, 7 4 2 9. Therefore which numbers are divisible. Next, show that every positive even integer is of the form is 2q, or every positive odd integer is of the form is 2q plus 1. Here a is any positive integer, b equal to take in place of b 2 is there. Therefore remainder 0 1. Therefore Euclid division lemma a equal to b cube plus r. Therefore a equal to 2q plus r. In place of r substitute 1 time 0, 1 time is 1. 1 time substitute 0. Therefore 2q plus 0, that is 2q only. Therefore that is even. Next odd. Therefore thank you.